Hey everyone, I wanted to quickly pop in and show you just a really super quick tip on how to keep your yarns from getting tangled. Does this look familiar? If you're doing color work, that can get super frustrating, having to stop and untangle your yarn. But there's a really easy technique for when you're using two colors of how to keep it untangled. So what you want to do is you want to lay one piece of yarn, one skein of yarn up here, one skein of yarn down here. So when you're finishing your colors, all you simply do is keep one yarn skein to the front and one to the back. So I'm going to keep pink to the front. So I'm going along. And when it comes time to switch, you lay this yarn, instead of bringing it forward and picking this up, this is what causes the tangles. You just lay it back like so and thread through. And you want to just pay attention to which way you're laying your yarn. So I'm making some more stitches and it's time to switch again. So I'm going to take the pink, I'm going to put it to the front, pick up the gray, and then that will constantly keep your yarn from getting tangled. And you can sort of do this technique when you're working other colors as well. It just takes a little bit more practice and paying attention to what you're doing. But with the two, it's super simple to just keep one color to the front, one color to the back, and you won't be messing with tangles while you're working your two colors. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful.